presenting a pre-owned 2022 Mini Countryman. This four-door wagon has a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter i3 engine with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Mini is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, navigation package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, heated front seats, and anti-theft alarm system.